A pattern problem. Here we are given three features: credit score, income, and bias. This is our target. These are we need to find the target, that is dependent variable. These are all independent variables. Using all these independent variables, we will be finding this particular dependent variable, our target. So first, the perceptron model has this equation: z is equals to w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus w3 x3. We'll be finding this. Then we'll be finding the activation function, that is step function. After finding y is equals to f of z, that means we'll be keeping all these values, whatever the x values that are there, we'll be assuming the weights, and then we'll be confirming what it is, what is the step function, what is the z value. So initially we'll be taking neta as a 0.001 and weights are assumed in this way. So first row is like x1 650, x2 45, x3 1, and target is given as 0. So we'll be finding z. After finding z, we got z as positive. Z as positive in the sense z is greater than or equal to 0. So the moment z is positive, f of z will become 1, right? So y is 1 and y prediction, I mean whatever the question we have here, we have y value as 0, but the predicted y value that we got is 1. So those both are not matching, so error exists. What do? We update the weights. We update the weights by using this formula: w new is equals to w old plus neta into target minus y into x. So as you can see here, this is our previous weight, that is old weight, that is w1 is equals to 0.01. So 0.01 plus neta we have imagined as 0.001, as I have told you, and this is target is 0, right? And we have got 1, so 0 minus 1 into 650. 650 is the x1, right? Here it is x1. So with x1 we'll be finding w1. Then here if we substitute x2, we'll be getting w2, and x3 will be getting w3. These are the new weights. After one iteration we got this new weights. One iteration means using first row and after updating the weights, right? Only update the weights when error exists. If error does not exist, we should not update the weights. We should continue with the previous weights. As you can see, this was our process. This was our iteration 1. Now for iteration 2, we'll be taking row number 2. In row 2, x1, x2, x3 and target is given as 1. We'll be doing same. Z value find out, and we'll be looking if z is less than 0, then y will become 0. If they are mismatched, then again error exists, again update, right? And iteration 3, right? Look at this, another row we are considering, then z value, then y value. If y value matches with the target, look at this, then no need to update the weights. So yeah, it is it. And iteration 4 also we'll be finding same thing. Here there is a mismatch, so we should have to update the weights, right? We should update the weights like this. And iteration 5 in the same way, update the weights. So this is the perceptron rule and the update weights, as you can see. Iteration 3, iteration 4, iteration 5.